Good evening, Alec at Unitil here with an update this Christmas Eve. As of about 7 p.m. this evening, we had just about 2,500 customers without power. That's down from a peak just yesterday of about 22,000 customers. Crews have made good progress today. They're going to continue working overnight. We know it's Christmas Eve. We want to get as many lights on as we can during these overnight hours. That said, we do estimate that we will have a majority of our customers restored by end of day tomorrow, with some isolated pockets and single services going into Monday. You may notice that as we get here towards the later stages, those numbers are slowing down a little bit. That's because each repair we make are picking up fewer and fewer customers because there's just a lot of damage out there. We're going to continue providing you updates throughout this event. We'll have more information for you on our social channels as well as on unitil.com. So stay here, keep an eye on things, and if you find yourself not restored but your neighbors have been restored, please call customer service as there may be an issue impacting your house directly. Stay safe and have a Merry Christmas.